How long does a portable building actually last? It's one of the most common questions people ask when shopping for a shed. Depending on who you ask, you'll hear answers all over the place. Some people say 10 years, others say 20, some say 30 or more. So, what's the real answer? Honestly, it depends, but not in the vague, unhelpful way people usually mean. The lifespan of a portable building depends on a combination of factors. 1, the quality of materials. 2, how the building was constructed. 3, your local climate. 4, exposure to weather. And most importantly, how well the building is maintained over time. Because here's the truth. A well-built portable building that's properly cared for can last decades. But even a great building can wear down faster if maintenance is ignored. Think about it like owning a vehicle. 2 people can buy the exact same truck on the same day. One keeps it maintained, washes it, changes fluids, fixes issues early, and it's going to last years and years. The other ignores maintenance completely. Those 2 vehicles probably won't age the same. Portable buildings are no different. So, let's talk about materials because that plays a huge role in the longevity of a building. Different siding types, roofing systems, flooring materials, and construction methods all affect how a building performs over time. For example, engineered wood siding products are designed to resist moisture, impact, and weather better than traditional untreated wood. Metal roofing can also significantly increase durability and reduce maintenance compared to older roofing materials. We use LP SmartSide specifically for this reason. It's engineered to protect against these problems and others that normally aren't thought of, like termites. Construction quality matters too. A portable building isn't just about how it looks sitting at a sales lot, it's about how it's built underneath. Floor systems, wall framing, trusses, ventilation, and structural design all contribute to how well a building holds up over time. And then there's climate. A building in a dry, mild climate may age very differently than one dealing with constant humidity, heavy snow, strong UV exposure, or severe storms year after year. That's why there's no universal expiration date for portable buildings. But here's what is true. Most problems that shorten a shed's lifespan don't happen overnight. They happen slowly. Small roof issues that go unchecked, water pooling around the base of a building, paint deterioration, minor repairs that get ignored for years and years. Those are the things that typically reduce the lifespan of a building, not simply age alone. And this is important because sometimes people assume portable buildings are temporary structures that aren't meant to last. Modern portable buildings have come a long way. Many are engineered with high quality materials and designed to withstand years of daily use and exposure to the elements. In fact, for many people, their portable building becomes one of the most used structures on their property. Workshops, home offices, storage spaces, those buildings often become permanent parts of people's lifestyles. Now, if you're trying to maximize the lifespan of your building, maintenance becomes the key. The owners who get the longest lifespan out of their sheds are usually the ones who stay proactive. Keeping water away from the building, inspecting the roof regularly, cleaning debris, maintaining paint or finishes, addressing small issues early. And fortunately, most of that maintenance is simple. In fact, we actually made an entire video breaking down exactly how to care for your portable building step by step. So if you want to learn how to help your shed last as long as possible, check out that video next. It'll walk you through the maintenance habits that can help you protect your investment for years to come. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe for more.